Polypropylene wonders, strong and pure as gold. For the electroplating world, their stories told. Disc-type guardians spinning clean the flow. Bag filters whisper, letting particles go. Cartridge champs, precise and built to last. In chemical rivers, they hold the line steadfast. Oh, Excel filters shine on through the night. Clarify the chaos, make the plating right. No more grit or grime in your shiny dream. Excel Laboratories, the electroplating team. Pump it up with 1 HP, power so fine. Plating units gleaming every single time. From the tank to the Triumph, filters lead the way. Excel's got the magic, brightening the day. Electroplating pros, you know the daily grind. Particles sneaking in, leaving flaws behind. But Excel's got your back with filters, oh so smart. No more cloudy spots or uneven shine. Excel filters deliver that flawless line. Oh, Excel filters shine on through the night. Clarify the chaos, make the plating right. No more grit or grime in your shiny dream. Excel Laboratories, the electroplating team. Pump it up with 1 HP, power so fine. Plating units gleaming every single time. From the tank to the Triumph, filters lead the way. Excel's got the magic, brightening the day. Call us, don't be shy. From Coimbatore's edge, they're shipping worldwide. Excel